begin with a new vlog for a day, again in a car, but this time at Jedin's car. And we are driving to that food street we showed you a couple of weeks back.
Yes, we are.
And we have Grishma and Sayukta here. It was raining actually pretty heavily in Hinjawadi. We thought let's take our chances, but apparently near the place we are going it hasn't rained for a week, it seems. It's so full dry. We'll probably try to see if we can explore new places or we stick to the safe ones.
So we have come to Arabian Bites and it's weekend, so it's very crowded. We have to wait to get a table. We are waiting over here. Grishma is feeling cold. It's windy. Dave is also feeling
I'm
cold.
prepped up.
So normal.
Odd one out.
Odd one out is Jaren.
We were kind of.
We got the seat. Yay!
Tell them what I am ordering. Dijaj Mafroom.
With no context, my audience will not understand what you're saying.
Dijaj Mafroom.
Seriously, that sound like
Please explain yourself.
Dijaj Mafroom is the dish I ordered. Middle Eastern hidden delight. So
Wow.
I'll check if it should always be hidden or should someone try.
Oh, something came. Yes. Is this?
Shawarma chicken.
Yes. The tikka. Delicious kebabs and shawarma platter. This looks good, smells awesome, and this is the
Hummus with shawarma chicken.
yes, hummus with shawarma chicken. You can start now.
Dave is going to try this, and I challenge you to eat this without putting a stain on your t-shirt.
That's a real challenge.
The paper is already yes.
I hope you succeed.
Oh shit. The stuffing is actually inside.
Right.
I just put in half of this because it says it's spicy, so
Okay.
you can take from the other house.
Okay. So Dave has completed the challenge. He didn't drop anything and is still white.
The messiest part of the dinner is done.
You cannot make her because this hummus and his t-shirt color all different.
No, we can make out.
This is a good picture. Accept it.
This is how they make kunafa. So this
Again
is
with my pouring skills.
Grishma's
Oh, okay, this is the
test.
thing to watch.
Let's see how it goes.
Oh, she has practiced at home.
Really?
Oh, this is a good
Why you
Wow.
want to do it like this?
Nice
Even if you pour it
one.
directly, that will still go in, right?
No, but it spreads
You
over.
need to
This
spread
will
it,
soak in
no?
a single
You
zone.
need not have to do it like this. You can do.
This is your own risk. Now,
OCD. OCD is getting.
I don't like this. Look at this, it's like over-fried vermicelli.
Let me get the
This-
menu card and put it here.
This looks like bird's nest.
I can't say that word. I have one word in mouth. Another overacting. Queen. Yeah, do it. You couldn't resist.
Good.
Too many options, I'm confused. We have ordered some really good things from Iyengar Bakery. Taking it parcel because we are absolutely full right now and cannot eat more.
For a giant whale, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, usually
That looks pretty in the night. What if it breaks?
final destination.
Not. Yeah, but recently there was something happened, right?
There's a giant whale here as well.
Ah, there's one
Like
with
If that breaks, they have the backup.
that's.
Business नहीं रुकना चाहिए.
Yeah. The show must go.
So we are back home and we ate a lot of food. Just going to edit my vlog and then sleep. For tomorrow we are planning to go to a fair. We saw a very big giant wheel on the way back home and I was like, oh, let's go. So not very sure whether we will go or not, but we might go there tomorrow. It all depends on the weather. So let's see, fingers crossed. If the weather is good, we can go. We are back at the same place where we had dinner yesterday and at the same street actually. So this is how it looks in the day and we are going to have coffee at Street Cafe. We did not go to Coffee Street. So now we are going to Golden to have coffee. No, no, cancel.
No.
Oh God.
Space.
Will we even get coffee today? No seats available. Sunday rush. Such a cute cat. Any coffee?
No.
Bro, surprisingly, that bread was good.
Sorry. No coffee at
Yeah.
Chai Chaska
It has
Cafe.
tutti frutti, but
Only
it was
chai.
soft.
Our next destination is Ashu's Cafe. Yeah, weather is nice. The weather is too good. We are having a good weekend. The weather was so cloudy and now suddenly it is sunny again and it's raining as well.
Then there's a chance of a rain.
Yeah, we will spot a rainbow
seeing
maybe. We have dark hot chocolate, we have hot coffee
With some
and and 2 cold coffees. So we have come to National Art and Craft Handloom Expo 2025. Let's get inside and explore. But these prints are unique, na? These ones were not there. The bowls are literally filled with water.
All the water.
It's because of rain. Huh? Yeah, the vases are looking so pretty. Hey, look at these 2 swans. So cute. 3 rabbits. Look at these sets. This plate set is also really nice. Even though you will find many shops while going to Lonavala, but this ceramic collection was something really unique. The Groot color should have been different. They were so happy.
These things are good to keep the oregano.
The Mela had a lot of variety of beautiful products and decor and it was really tempting to buy, but we had good self-control that day. These are like marble fountains.
Oh, this.
What is this? Oh, क्या है?
We have it made of
This is also stone.
This is that salt and pepper wala.
Parts will remain.
Oh my god.
No, this is for agarbatti.
Oh, is it? this color is nice. Yeah, this is also nice, but it will get dirty soon. And these are also nice. See, these are also very unique. So
Very subtle, no? Very
Yeah.
shiny, shiny stuff.
and I think it's just like कपड़े का. क्या है? लाख. I don't know. मतलब?
मिट्टी का बनता है.
अच्छा मिट्टी का है. This green is also nice. नहीं मेरे हाथ का होगा क्या? मेरा हाथ बहुत छोटा है. नहीं ये बड़ा है. ये बड़ा है. Disappointment on my face. I thought I recognized. This is also all katha stitch, no?
बिहार वाला है ये.
हाँ, this design.
M से होता है. मधुबनी.
Madhubani. These are batik prints. Batik. I really liked this color. This wine color is really pretty. These are looking pretty. This is for 350 and that one is for 250. This one is also a nice print.
I want you to do all this.
Grishma is buying sari.
How is it?
It's looking nice. It's very pretty.
ये सोबर color.
Yeah.
She didn't like it.
No.
Else
Golden
I can
color.
put her face and tell.
Golden
The
color
same
looks
excitement
good.
When I got the Surya yesterday, she was like, okay.
That looked like an artificial flower.
She didn't.
I was thinking, why is Jaren having an artificial plant?
Yeah.
That children color is also nice.
I will show you guys later what he's talking about. भाई साड़ी रखने का तरीका देखो, नीचे से ऐसे पिन्स लगा के उसको फिक्स किया हुआ है एंड इतने सुंदर तरह से सजाया हुआ है. It looks really pretty.
Stick on your face if you get it.
That's why.
No, it'll break. It's not that sturdy. इसका मेजरमेंट क्या है भैया?
3
एक और. Oh, I like this one. हाँ, this is very pretty. This is that acupuncture chappal. In this mela, you really need to bring out your best bargaining game because trust me, that's half the fun here. हम आए हैं ब्रेक डांस करने.
Right, me too.
So we are back to home sweet home. अच्छा हुआ कल हमको दिख गया रास्ते में कि मेला लगा है, तो हम आज मेले में जाके बहुत मज़े करके आए हैं. हम एक राइड पे गए थे, वो ब्रेक डांस वाला, एंड इट वाज क्रेजी. माय गॉड, आई फेल्ट सो डिजी आफ्टर दैट. It was like going round and round and round and round. And it was a very long ride. Like it was 100 per person. बट मैं सोच रही हूँ अब ख़त्म होगा, अब ख़त्म होगा भाई. स्पीड एक बार उसने बढ़ाना शुरू किया, फिर घटाया, एंड देन अगेन बढ़ाना शुरू किया, एंड देन फिर घटाया, एंड आई वाज लाइक शिट यार. बट इट वॉज क्रेजी एंड इट वॉज फन. आई डिड दिस आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. बचपन की याद आ गई लिटरली. So this is the flower pot which Jaren bought for us, Jaren and Grishma. And this looks so artificial, but it is actually a real plant. And I was also surprised by this. So when he came to our door with this pot, and I was actually kind of sleepy at that time, and I was like, and I didn't try to process so much in my head. I was just like, okay, he's holding an artificial pot, artificial plant. But then he said that it's for us, and then I was like, why is Jaren giving us an artificial plant? Then he told me it's real, and I was so shocked. I even showed this at home, and everyone, at the first glance, everyone thought that it's an artificial plant, but it's real. The weekend has come to an end, and I can say that it was well spent. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.